Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Ayakashi Rise AFK Demon Hunt game crashing or not loading, not working, keep stopping, lagging, black screen or other issues on Android phone. So the very first method is to restart your phone once. So for that, click on the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your phone. Now after your phone restarts, check if the game is opening or not. If not, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game and then check if any update is available. If any update is there, then update your game to the latest version and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, you should check if there is any internet connection problem. Make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using mobile data, go to Wi-Fi or do vice versa and then check whether the game is opening or not. If not, you are suggested to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info. Now click on force stop and then click on OK. So once done, try to open the game and check. If not, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage and cache option. Now click on clear cache. Once done, again launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If the issue still occurs, then you should check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings of your device and go below. Click on system update. Now here you should check if any update is available. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version and after that try to play the game. If the issue still continues even after trying all the methods, you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. So this will remove the game from your phone. After that, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game and then click on the install button, and after the game is installed, now try to launch the game and check whether the problem you are coming across while playing the game is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.